Hi guys, I am currently at Hobby Lobby. I wanted to see their 4th of July stuff, and guys, they have pumpkins and fall stuff. Is this too soon? I am liking this pom-pom garland. I think it's so adorable. I'm also liking these signs, especially the one that says Home Sweet Home. And their Americana or patriotic is 40% off. Oh, look at this banner. This one's cute. So they have these dish towels, and I really like this one with the stars. And this little, this little plaid one. I'm also liking these plates. These are good for either hot dogs or chips. I think these are very cool. I actually had these last year for a barbecue. Guys, look at these mugs. These are so adorable. I love this one that says pumpkin and leaves, family and friends, cinnamon and spice, everything nice. This is so cute. They also have a grateful, blessed, and coffee obsessed. Oh, this is so adorable. This is a bamboo spoon set. Oh my god, these are so cute. I like anything that looks tiny, like these little Moscow cups. They're so cute. And these are $5.99. And they have the big ones right here. And the big ones are $9.99. And I'm liking this bowl that says thankful, and they have a blessed one. These are so pretty, and these are $8.99. I'm also liking this leaf, and it has a little gold accent on the edges, and this is $9.99. These are so adorable. These are $3.99. They're so cute. Look how adorable these are. These are for soups. These are $9.99 each. They're so adorable. I'm tempted to take these. I love fall, and I love Halloween and Christmas. And I'm liking these mugs. They're a little huge. I found this sign I like. This one says Farm Fresh Pumpkins. This is so cute. These signs are so adorable. They're $2.99. I love this one that says Farm Fresh Pumpkin, pick your own. This one is in orange. They have the one with the truck, and this one says Pumpkin Patch, Hayrides, and Apple Cider, open daily. This one is too adorable. They're so cute, and for $2.99, I think that's very good. They also have the autumn leaves and pumpkin please. This is interesting. They're doing a pumpkin with leopard print. That's kind of unique and different. They even have the little pigs on them. I don't know how I feel about that. They have blue pumpkins. Ooh, some Cinderella theme. That would be nice. I'm liking these acorns that are slanted. These are silver. There's a gold one and a copper one. Just a girl who loves fall. And it has like the boots, the pumpkin latte, the scarf and the hat. So cute for a room or a beauty room. I guess I'm a little obsessed with signs. This one says hello fall. This one's $5.99. Let's see. So very thankful, cute, and cuddle weather. And if I had to pick one, it'll probably be cuddle weather or hello fall. This one with the little house, let's stay home and cuddle. This is cute. Oh, they have another one too. It says home sweet cozy home. I think that's it. And I'm liking these pumpkins. I like this shade of gray. This one says welcome friends. Well, they all say welcome friends, but they have a gray one, a white one, and an orange, but I'm liking the gray. Guys, they have a pink velvet pumpkin. This is so adorable. This one's $7.99. This would be so cute for a beauty room, a girly girl room, or just pink in general. I really love pink. These are so cute. Come gather at our table. You could put your forks, your knives, some napkins. I think this is too cute. Oh, and it's on a Lazy Susan. This is $23.99, so it could swivel around. This is super crazy. They're getting their ornaments for Christmas, and it's half the year already, and I can't believe this. So crazy. Even this section is full of the ornaments. They're gonna fill this all up with Christmas cheer. Hobby Lobby is so crazy. I just can't believe it. Oh look, these pink ornaments are adorable. So I'll admit, I am addicted to coffee, and I think this sign is just too cute. It says coffee press, pour over, ice pour over, and coffee brewer. They also have a sign that says coffee guide. So it says espresso, and it says the little details: cappuccino, latte, and macchiato, Americano. And the signs are $34.99. And they're 50% off today. Good deal. And they have coffee signs right over here. Let me go and show you. I'm obsessed with this. All I need is coffee and mascara, and this mug too. It's so adorable. Resting coffee face. They have another mug that I like. It says it's Friday, let's dance, and today is actually Friday. How cool. $9.99. Oh my god, look at these. So adorable. Oh my god. Be nice or leave. Bye. This is cute for your office. Don't quit your daydream. I found another mug I like. This one says home with the wreath in the center. This one's $8.99. I think all their mugs are $8.99. There's another cute mug. This one's with the leopard print, and it says Boss Babe. $8.99. Guys, it makes me want to get a mug, but I have so many at home, and I honestly don't need more mugs. Coffee and Graced. I found another mug I like. A day without coffee is like whatever. I have no idea. Mood, guys, mood. I like this one, Hot Mess Express. A Mama Bear one. Oh look, they have the travel mug for Boss Babe with the leopard print. But this is plastic, which is, I guess, good if you're on the go. And these are $9.99. Some tropical vibes here. So I think Hobby Lobby was one of the last places I vlogged, and I remember all this stuff because I remember this sign that says home is where I kill my plants, and all this stuff now is 50% off, which is kind of good. Which is good. What am I talking about? Oh, this is cute. Be yourself. They have a lot of storage boxes, and I'm liking this floral one. Kind of reminds me of Kate Spade. What do you guys think? Even this tropical one right here. Look at this sign. Wi-Fi and chill. Believe in your dreams. You know what's crazy, guys, is that I started my channel doing vlogs showing you stores and like the stuff they have, and then all of nowhere everything just changed. I started sharing my home. I started sharing like my day in the life videos, and I hope you guys do like these type of videos, and I hope you guys continue in my journey. I'm honestly trying to do as much videos as possible. The only thing is that a lot of people don't know, but I actually do work, so it does take time to try to film and edit. So I'm gonna get going, guys. So if you guys do like these type of videos, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And oh, look at this canister, so cute. And the donut one. Look at this pillow, cue the confetti. Now for sure, guys, I'm gonna go back home, and I'll talk to you guys soon.